Cooking with Gloria. I'm Gloria, and today I am baking for you a coffee bread. It comes out delicious and it's perfect for these holidays when you go visit your family and you want to take something sweet, something delicious to add to your coffee. So then let's get started. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. These are my ingredients. For the coffee mixture, I have instant coffee, cocoa powder, sugar. Now for the screw roll right on top, I have all-purpose flour, sugar, baking powder, butter, unsalted, and cinnamon. Okay. For the actual bread, I have 4 eggs, oil, vanilla extract, a pinch of salt, baking powder, unsalted butter, sugar, water, all-purpose flour. I am so ready to start with this coffee cake. It comes out so delicious and so moist. So let's get started. Okay, my friends, I'm going to start with my batter. I'm going to start by adding my eggs one at a time, just to make sure that each one is well combined. Okay. After I am done adding my 4 eggs, I'm going to start by adding my sugar, my melted butter, my oil, vegetable oil. I'm going to add my water. And I'm going to add my vanilla extract. And I am ready to mix everything and combine it completely. Well mixed, well combined. Okay, after everything has been combined, I am going to remove it. And I'm going to add my all-purpose flour. And I'm going to sift it just in case there's any granules. We don't want any granules in our batter. I'm adding my all-purpose flour. I'm adding my baking powder. And my pinch of salt. Okay, I'm going to sift it completely. Okay, I am done. As you can see, there's a little granules on the bottom and you could dissolve them with your fingertips. I am going to mix it completely until everything is well incorporated. Okay, everything seems to be nice and incorporated. I want to show you the consistency, how thick it is. Now I'm adding my baking dish. I'm going to add some baking spray. If you don't have baking spray, you could just add vegetable oil with the little napkin. This is only to prevent our bread to stick to the baking dish. I am going to add everything and nice and smooth. I'm going to tap it a little bit so I could get the air bubbles out of the mixture. Okay, I am ready to prepare the next step. I'm adding my sugar, my coffee granules, and my cocoa powder. I'm going to add everything here and I'm going to mix it completely because this is going to go right on top of my batter. Make sure that you mix it completely so everything is nice and combined. Okay, I am ready to add this mixture right on top of my batter. Just make sure that you cover the whole top with this delicious coffee mixture. You're gonna get a spoon and you're just gonna go side by side so this ingredients go in between our batter. Just like so. I am ready to start with my all-purpose flour, my sugar, my cinnamon, and my baking powder. I'm adding right now to my all-purpose flour my baking powder, and I'm gonna mix it completely just so it combines. I'm gonna add my cinnamon and I'm gonna mix it. Okay, I'm going to add my sugar. Mix it well. And the last thing I'm going to add is going to be my unsalted butter. And we're going to mix it completely so it incorporates completely. It's going to get a little crumbly. That's normal. That's the way it should become after you mix it well and it's well incorporated. I'm going to show you how this looks. It's nice and crumbly. This is how this mixture should be. This is going to go right on top of our batter. Okay, I am ready to add it. Let's just make sure that you cover the whole top with this delicious topping. Okay, I am done. I am done with this. And I'll see you, my friends. My friends, I am done with my coffee bread. I am ready to put it in the oven. I have preheated my oven for 350 Fahrenheit. It's gonna go in there for at least 30 minutes. So I'll see you back when I'm taking this coffee bread out of the oven. I'm getting my coffee bread out of the oven. It's nice and hot and look how beautiful it looks. I am so ready to taste it. I'm gonna let it rest for at least 10 to 15 minutes before I start cutting it and tasting this delicious coffee cake. I'll show it to you from close-up. My friends, I wanted to show you from close-up how my coffee bread looks. Look how delicious the crumbles look. They're nice and crispy right on the edge. Look at this. Oh, I can't wait to taste it, my friends. It's nice and hot. And I'll see you back in a little bit when I'm ready to taste this delicious coffee bread. My friends, I am done with this coffee cake. Look at this. Look how delicious and soft and moist this coffee cake looks. But this is the part I love, I enjoy, and I really look forward. Tasting my recipes. If you love and like coffee like I do, you will love this coffee cake. Okay, excuse me. Let's see how this came out. The coffee is not overwhelming. It's really good, really delicious. It's not over sweet. It's just perfect. The cocoa powder has given it such a delicious flavor. On this topping is just unbelievable. Excuse me. Mmm. Mmm. I have combined it with the delicious coffee. Just done. This is just perfection. I hope, my friends, you can make this coffee cake at home for the holidays to take when you go visit your family members. Take something delicious, sweet, and who doesn't love coffee? Well, this coffee cake is just perfect. Thank you, my friends, for giving me your time, for watching my video from start to end. I really do appreciate it. If you loved and liked my recipe, please don't forget to subscribe. Give me thumbs up. Share my video on social media so more people get to know Cooking with Gloria. Don't forget to push the notification bell so every time I make a new recipe, yes, you are notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. And of course, I will stay enjoying my coffee cake. Bye-bye.